I'm Patrick Quillin, and you and I are getting healthier together. I'd like to share with you some ideas about my favorite book, 12 Keys to a Healthier Cancer Patient. Of the 18 books that I've written that have sold over 2 million copies, this is my favorite, and I'll share with you why. Cancer is now the number 1 or 2 cause of death in Western society. 1.7 million Americans will be newly diagnosed with it. 40% of adults living today will have cancer in their lifetime. So key number 1 is understand the problem. And the problem centers around our current model, which is in 1971, Richard Nixon launched the war on cancer, said we would have a cure within 5 years. We don't. A half a century later, 200 billion in research, 4 trillion in therapies, and we have no drugs that cure any major cancers. The 4 major cancers are lung, breast, colon, and prostate. According to the experts, chemotherapy is effective in about 2 to 3% of all advanced epithelial cancers, meaning it doesn't work. So we need to rethink the problem. Key number 1 is understand the problem. And you say, well, if Quillin's stuff is effective, why doesn't my doctor use it? And why doesn't my insurance company pay for it? So the other part of the problem is that we have a sickness-oriented system in this country. Sickness is big business. $4.5 trillion a year spent on healthcare costs. And that's not going to go away quickly. So the 1 million doctors in this country who use that therapy, it's a sickness model that works very well in the emergency room and trauma care, but not so well in degenerative diseases. Key number 1, understand the problem. I'll be back with the rest of them.